Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off this live caption that keeps showing up. So just go to the three dots here and then go to settings. Then you are going to go to accessibility, and here in live caption you're going to just disable it, and that's how you can delete live caption from showing up when you play videos on Google Chrome. I know that features showed up and I accidentally enabled it, and I couldn't disable it again. I didn't know, but now you know. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!